Hey guys, this is MJM Locksmith. Right now I'm going to show you guys exactly, it's a little raining out here right now. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get into any vehicle right now. Take this pump right here. So make sure you give us a call, man, at 904-517-3287 or 904-601-9519. Now, this is my first time ever doing this car, so I'm not sure how it's gonna work out, but I could get into any car. Got created enough space, and this car right here have the locks that you can pull up. So I'm going to use this tool right here to open it. And as you can see, I'll show you guys. Car is locked. Car is locked.